What is DeFi and how it works? 3 biggest DeFi coins. You know, there are a lot of terms in crypto that mislead people regarding the use cases. So in this video, we'll go over everything you need to know about decentralized finance, or DeFi for short. But before we get in, I would like to welcome you guys back in another video of our YouTube channel TechHUB, where you will be always getting your daily dose of crypto news and entertainment. It is also important to note that I'm not a financial advisor, and everything in this video is not financial advice. So, without further ado, let's begin the video with the introduction of DeFi. Starting with the intro of DeFi, it is based on cryptocurrencies or a blockchain that aims to eliminate financial intermediaries. DeFi is inspired by blockchain, a technology that enables Bitcoin transactions too. Furthermore, blockchain enables various companies to keep a copy of transaction history, ensuring that it is not controlled by a single intermediary source. This is significant because centralized systems and human gatekeepers can both minimize and exacerbate problems while providing users with greater direct control over their finances. And DeFi is unusual in this regard, as it extends blockchain use beyond simple asset transfers to complicated financial applications. Firstly, you should learn that Bitcoin and many other digital goods differ from traditional digital payment methods such as Visa and PayPal because they exclude all transactions. Just suppose that if you use a credit card to pay for coffee in a cafe, the financial institution remains between you and the business, controlling the transaction and reserving the right to suspend it and record it in its register. And here comes one of DeFi's key advantages, which is that it eliminates all forms of transactional middlemen. Before it was known as decentralized finance, the DeFi concept was known as open finance. DeFi components are similar to those in the current financial environment in that they require stable finance and a range of different utility cases. DeFi goods include stablecoins and services such as crypto exchanges and loan services, smart contracts, which comprise the terms and conditions required for these services to operate, give a framework for DeFi applications to operate. For example, custom code is included in the smart contract code to specify the specific terms and circumstances of each unique loan. If specific criteria or conditions are not met, the deposit may be forfeited. All of this is done by code, not by hand by a bank or other institution. All of the components of a distributed financial system are housed in the software stack. Each layer's components are intended to serve a specific role in the construction of a DeFi system. Because the components from each segment can be combined to construct a DeFi application, stability is a distinguishing quality of the stack. As a result, the DeFi stack is made up of the 4 layers shown below. The first is the settlement layer. It is also known as Layer 0 because it acts as the foundation for all transactions. It consists of a public blockchain and digital currency, sometimes known as cryptocurrency. This money is used to pay for transactions in DeFi applications and may or may not be sold on the open market. A settlement is ETHEREUM and its natural token Ether, which are traded in crypto trading. Following that is the protocol layer, as DeFi agreements are interoperable, which means they may be utilized by numerous organizations to construct an app or application at the same time. DeFi receives natural credit from the protocol layer. Synthetix, an Ethereum-based trading platform, is an example of the DeFi protocol. Following that is the application layer, which is ranked 3rd. It is, as the name implies, a layer of the app where the customer-facing programs are located. These applications provide fundamental agreements as well as basic customer-focused services. This layer houses the most frequent applications in the digital financial system, such as chemical exchanges and lending services. Finally, there's the aggregation layer. This layer joins the prior layer's applications to give service to investors. They may be able to make money transfers between different financial products, for example, to increase earnings. Such trading methods will necessitate a significant amount of documentation as well as reliable connectivity. Borrowing and lending are 2 instances of services in the context of integration. Now let's move towards 3 of the biggest DeFi coins right now in the crypto industry, and most probably you are already aware of them, but not of their sector and use cases. So let's begin this section with our number 3rd, and that is Uniswap. Uniswap is currently moving around $10 to $12 with a market cap above $3 billion, and moving forward towards the second biggest coin, which is Avalanche AVAX. It is standing on second number in terms of DeFi coin and is on number 10th in terms of overall crypto industry, along with a market cap of $26 billion. Now finally comes the biggest DeFi coin standing right now in the industry, and that is none other than Terra. And Luna 2 is not only the largest DeFi coin, but also the 9th largest cryptocurrency in terms of market capitalization, having a market cap of $37 billion. Now I hope you have clearly understood what DeFi is and have learned the names of 3 biggest DeFi coins too. So that's the end of the video, but still, if you have any questions about DeFi and they're working, or if you think I have missed any news that should have been there, so as I always say, do mention it below in the comment box. Now if you have found the content helpful, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and do subscribe to our channel for weekly content like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video of Tech HUB. Until then, goodbye.